So you go out there, you see CO on a flag, there's a painted circle around it. You go and you grab the chinkapin oak.
We are actually out here today with over 100 volunteers planting trees at 71 home sites that were affected by the October 2019 tornado.
Does this look straight to you? Does it look straight to you? And this tree is straight, right? That's how we know it's straight up.
So what these volunteers are doing really is leaving a legacy. They're reestablishing the environmental identity of this community that was badly damaged by the tornadoes.
It looks like we're about maybe 3 to 4 inches too deep.
And they're out there planting trees at home sites for residents who are in the recovery process.
All right, so now it's a matter of how straight we can make it.
We have all of these folks who've come from across the country, actually. We have people here from North Dakota, Los Angeles, New York City, who have come to Garland today to plant trees.
And like this is the whole system that the tree uses to get nutrients. So if it's only right here and it's out of room, it'll just strangle itself.
The goal today is to restore as much canopy as we can. On October 2019, we lost a lot of canopy and canopy was damaged, so a few trees fell after the storm, especially in the winter storm that had been damaged from the tornado. So we want to restore as much canopy as we can and also restore a sense of normalcy for these residents who are affected by the tornado.
But at least it rained a couple of days ago. It is a huge effort, and as you can see, we have plenty of volunteers on hand. Everybody's getting their hands dirty, digging in the ground, and just planting trees.
All right.
Look at there.
All right, now we gotta fix it.
The partnerships are invaluable. You know, the trees were provided by GP&L. We've got volunteers and materials that have been donated by Home Depot and a lot of our other volunteer groups. It's more than we could ever do on our own. You know, we could never have enough volunteers. We could never have enough donations. So having it all come together today, it will make light work of what is a huge task.
So I went out on the porch and was watching some other guys in the neighborhood, and all of a sudden they started running, and I looked up and there was the tornado, and so I jumped back in the house and rode it out. I just can't thank Garland enough for what they're doing to replant the trees in this neighborhood. This is an older neighborhood. We've been here 41 years and never seen a devastation like this. I mean, the trees have just all been big and beautiful. And for Garland to come back and help us replant and get some trees back in the neighborhood is just fantastic. I can't thank everybody out here enough. It's just been fantastic.